Welcome back to our tutorial series on using Microsoft PowerPoint. Today, we'll be focusing on SmartArt, a powerful feature available in PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. SmartArt allows you to create visually appealing diagrams, such as organizational charts, process flows, and relationship diagrams. Despite SmartArt being available in the other Microsoft apps for this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to use it in PowerPoint. To get started with SmartArt, first, navigate to the slide where you want to insert a graphic. Then, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Find the SmartArt button. This will open the Choose a SmartArt Graphic dialog box. Here, you'll find a variety of categories and layouts to choose from. These categories include List, Process, Cycle, Hierarchy, Relationship, Matrix, and Pyramid. Each category contains different layouts suited for various types of information. Select the category that best fits the information you want to present. For example, if you want to show a sequence of steps, you might choose a layout from the Process category. Once you've selected a layout, click OK to insert it into your slide. Make sure you select the correct category, as although you can change the layout. Once selected, you won't be able to change the SmartArt category. Now that you have your SmartArt graphic inserted, you can start adding text. Click on the placeholders within the SmartArt graphic and type in your information. As you enter text, the SmartArt graphic will automatically adjust to fit your content. You can also click into the text pane to add text. To create a new bullet, press Enter on the keyboard. You can also demote and promote bullet points. This will cause a bullet point to indent, and in certain layouts, demoting a bullet point will place text into a subsection of the graphic. To demote a bullet point, you can press the Tab key whilst you have a bullet clicked into on the text pane, or you can right-click and select Demote. You can promote a bullet point to reverse the demotion. You can do this by pressing Shift plus Tab or right-clicking and selecting Promote. By default, SmartArt will conform to the design theme you have selected. We covered design themes in the first video of this series, so make sure to check that out. Otherwise, to customize the appearance of your SmartArt, use the SmartArt Design and Format tabs that appear when the SmartArt graphic is selected. In the SmartArt Design tab, you can change the color scheme, apply different styles, and switch to a different layout if needed. The Format tab allows you to customize individual shapes within the SmartArt graphic, such as changing the shape fill, outline, and effects. One of the great features of SmartArt is its flexibility. If you find that a different layout or design works better for your information, you can easily change it without losing your content. Simply go back to the SmartArt Design tab and hover over New Layout or Style to visualize it. When you are ready, left-click to select it. Remember, SmartArt isn't just for PowerPoint. You can use it in Word and Excel as well to create professional-looking diagrams and visuals in your documents and spreadsheets. That's it for this tutorial on using SmartArt in PowerPoint. We've covered how to insert a SmartArt graphic, add and customize text, and modify the design and layout. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next tutorial.